The F100 stuff, what brought you into it?
Well, because I like Fords.
My man.
Yeah. My pastor actually has a 55 that's been in his family since it was new. And he come to me and asked me if we could do something for that truck. And I told him yes. And I was hoping I wouldn't lie to my pastor.
Is it this truck over here?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Let's go look at it. So basically what you're saying, this was sort of the R&D that you did on what we did over here, basically, right?
Correct. This truck was all original. It had the original 292 V8 in it, and he wanted to keep that since his grandpa originally bought the truck. At one time, his uncle owned the truck, and at that time, he was a Kentucky State policeman, and he was chasing a moonshiner, and he shot at him, and the bullet went through the driver window, and it ended up, if you want to step this way, I'll show you proof that it had a bullet shot through it.
Proof that it had a bullet shot.
Right here.
Wow, look at that. That's cool. The sucker's got some history.
Yeah, it's got some history.
Well, that's cool.
And it also was the first upper and lower control arm truck that we did.
That's cool. And I assume it handles really well. And
yeah, he won't let me drive it, but yeah, it does handle good.
Well, hey, thank you so much. I want to talk more about this, but I want to do it. Can I hit you up in September and we'll talk more about your parts then?
Oh, yeah, that'd be great.
I'm going to be getting more information on your guys' parts. Where can people reach you?
You can either call us at 1-800-877-7233, or you can go to our website, AJEsuspension.com.
Do you guys have an Instagram?
Yes, we do.
Just AJE suspension across the board.
Right.
That's cool. Well, hey, man, thank you so much for your time. I love what you have going on here. And I'm going to let you, looks like you're closing up shop here, man.
Yeah, the show's just about over.
What'd you think of the Grand Nats?
It was great. It was awesome.
How many years have you been here?
I've been coming here since they started. I think this is their 5th year. And but we've been in business 32 years.
That's awesome. Okay, so not only is there heritage in the trucks that you build sometimes, the R&D that you've done, but you've been doing this for a long time, and so you guys know what you're talking about when it comes to building this stuff. I love seeing another company make F100 parts, man. I just want to say thank you for giving the F100 community or the F1 community more truck parts for us to slap onto our trucks, man. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
All right,